Hey friends, today we're making coconut pecan cookies. I'll show you some of the ingredients and I'll tell you the others. Shredded coconuts, salt, sugar, brown sugar's coming up, baking soda, baking powder. Mix it all together. Then we have a little bit of white flour in there as well. Then we're going to add in some crushed pecans. Mix it all up. And we love these cookies. Now I'm just taking a bit of the dry powder out because I didn't want to make such a large batch. So I'm saving the dry mix for a later date. And I measured this out so that I knew how much I had and how much moist ingredients I needed to get together. This was a fun one. I don't normally measure things, but this time I did. I've been encouraged to measure things. So I started adding eggs. This is the wet mix. Eggs. I use 2 eggs. Vanilla. Let's see what else. Butter coming in. Coconut oil coming in. Coconut cream coming in. Just a scoop of the white part of the coconut cream. And it's going in. So I give these cookies about a 6 out of 10. The reason is they weren't as chewy as I would like. And I would love some more info. I'm an experimental baker at the moment, so if you can give me some more info on how to make cookies chewier, please fill me in. This was a fun mission. Thank you for watching. Please, in the comments, let me know how to make cookies chewy. Thank you, and goodbye.